Alright guys, so you should have already done this warm-up. You should have had like 5 minutes once the bell rang to work on this, just using your paper. So yeah, remember to next class period, you will be doing the quiz version of this, and so we'll have it printed out, and you can work on it and then hand it in, okay? So, taking a look at this. So we're solving for the variable. So 2 different ways I could do it, okay? I could start off by dividing everything by 3. Because it's 3 times, that whole thing just needed 1. And then 12 times, or divided by 3 would be 4x. 6 divided by 3 would be 2. Plus 2, right? Okay, we subtract by 4x. And that becomes 0. That becomes 0. So I end up with 2 equals 2. Okay, so when we run out of a variable and it's equal, this is what we call infinite solutions. Okay, meaning any number for x will work. Now, I could have also done this a different way. I could have distributed first, as many probably did. And probably what you noticed is right off the bat, hey, this is the same thing on both sides. So yeah, as I adjust things, we should realize that we'd end up with 0 equals 0. Again, it's that infinite solutions because they're equal. If it had ended up not being equal, then we call it no solution. Okay, and I think we've looked at one like that as well. Alright, so there you go. If you need this paused real quick just to make sure you can jot it all down, there you go. Remember, you can use your notes for next time, okay, for the quiz. So, create an equation and solve. Paisley works at a Tesla manufacturing plant in Spain. She's stealing parts to make her own Tesla at home. I do not condone stealing. She already has 230 parts and needs 4,512 more. She can fit 2 parts in her lunchbox. An apparently typo there, huh? Sure, I'll hear about it when I get back. Lunchbox. Do know how to spell lunchbox. I just transposed the C and the N. So, she can fit 2 parts in her lunchbox each day. And how many days will she have all the parts that she needs? Okay, so the idea here is, so we know she needs to get that many more, don't we? So she's already taken 230 parts, and she's going to add 2 parts each day. So we could keep adding 2 for how many days she has, but realizing that we don't know how many days it's going to take, we can just put a variable d there for days. Okay, so there's our equation. Then we solve it. Okay, so subtract by 230 and get 2 times days equals, let's see, what would this be? So that would be 2, borrow from that would be 8. So 4,282, which we divide by 2, and we should get 2,141. So it's going to take her that many days to get all the parts she needs. Okay? There we go, guys.